We see the trend towards a sharing economy quite strongly, first of all in consumer markets. Bike rental in large towns or car sharing is nowadays business as usual in consumer markets. The sharing economy is becoming an increasingly popular concept in the industrial sector. Rental services are actually a smart idea because the products are delivered on short notice and ready to use. As the saying goes, ownership comes with responsibility. This truth also applies when purchasing safety equipment. The story is not just buying a device and using it for years without having any extra cost for maintenance and without having specialists for maintenance tasks. Safety, no compromises. Our products have to ensure that our customers make it home safely. To us, it means no compromises in terms of quality and performance of our equipment. The oil and gas and chemical industry, for example, are operating globally. No matter where the customer happens to be, ideally, there is always equipment nearby. Our rental equipment portfolio is distributed across 18 warehouses worldwide. On every continent, we are at your side. Products are shipped from there and delivered quickly and flexibly. Our rental portfolio is perhaps larger than you might expect. Currently, it includes 1,500 different product types. That amounts to around 200,000 rental equipment items available all around the globe. It's not just well-known dragger equipment like gas detection or personal protection. Actually, it's about every single bit and piece our customers requires for their plant maintenance projects. For example, fall protection for working in heights, explosion-proofed radios or smartphones, electrically operated ventilation systems, also explosion-proofed. Demands are really different. We have structured our dragger rental service to offer different service levels. We are happy to provide our customers with the most appropriate package, no matter if there are 5 or 1,000 devices needed. Economical and flexible, that is what we stand for, mine or yours. In many cases, this is no longer a question.